Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So today's look is going to be a no foundation makeup look. So this is super easy to do. It's quick and out the door, honestly. I mean, and it just looks really good. Your skin looks healthy. It's not too much. It feels lightweight, and that is pretty much it. So if you guys want to see how I do this look here and what products I used, then just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I am going to get ready real quick. I'm actually going to do a no foundation makeup look. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So right now I just clip my hair back. I'm going to apply a little bit of my Maybelline Baby Lips. And that is that. I also moisturized my face, of course. But I'm going to go in with some primer because I always do. You guys know that. I'm going to go in today with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. And I really like this. As you can see, I have like pretty much like nothing left. So I'm going to finish this up because, you know, I'm gonna have to get another one soon. And I'm also using this because my skin has been a little bit dry. I keep saying that in every video. I don't know what it is. I think it's the weather, but it has been pretty bad. All right, so moving on to concealer, I am going to be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This one is so good. It's honestly like the best thing ever. I have a backup to this. I have pretty much like nothing left. If you can kind of see, like there's pretty like spots because there's really not much left. I think like there's probably like up to here or something, but it's really good. This one is the Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It's in the shade Warm Beige, and pretty much I'm just going to apply this right here on my under eye where I normally would apply my concealer. And it's really going to be kind of like more of a fresh face kind of look. I'm not doing a heavy concealing, but I am concealing wherever I feel like I need it. So like these red spots here, and if I want to cover some of my freckles or whatever, then I will do over here. And then I'm going to be using my Real Technique sponge, of course. You can always go in with a brush as well, but I like the sponge. You guys know that. I always go back to this sponge. So I'm just gonna blend that out as I normally would. And as you can see, it's just giving me some coverage. It's concealing whatever I need to conceal. And I'm not really doing my whole face, as you can see. I'm just doing those specific areas under the eye, around the nose, you know, on the bridge of my nose, because I have like a little bit here that I hate, but concealer hides it. And I'm just going to do that. I'm also going to do the eyelids, you guys, because, you know, that's just what I'm gonna do. And that's pretty much it. You can go in with whatever's left on the rest of your forehead if you want. I usually don't do a lot on my forehead, but you know, use whatever's left. And that is pretty much it. You see, it's really like easy, fresh, not too much, you know. I love this one. If you guys have not tried it, I say this all the time. Every single time I use this, I say it. It's worth the money. I definitely recommend you guys picking that up. Going in with another concealer from Too Faced Born This Way, I'm going to use this one. This one is in the shade Mocha, and I'm going to use this to bronze up my face. Or you can get a different shade to help contour. Well, I like this one for both. So a little goes a long way, as you can tell with the concealer on the under eye and everything. Literally a little bit goes a long way, like no joke. So I'm going to be grabbing my Real Techniques contour brush. I'm gonna do my lips first. I'm going to apply that blend it right here as I normally would. This is everything in the norm, just no foundation. And I feel like this is so much faster and easier to do. basically you're skipping a step because of the foundation, and you still get like really great coverage. See that? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with my Real Technique sponge. Just going to blend all that out, soften it up so it doesn't look super harsh. And you can also go in with a little bit of this on your eyelids to give it a little bit of like, as if you're wearing, you know, contouring your eyelids, wearing a little bit of color already without having to go in with some blush. I mean, some eyeshadow. You see that? So that also saves you a step if you're really like rushing out the door. All right, so now I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm gonna go in with this one from Vanity, Australia. It is the best cushion brow, whatever, like product for me. I tried it and I honestly fell in love with it. I even fell in love with like the actual brush that it comes with. I will leave this link down below for you guys and a coupon code in case you guys want to pick it up and try it out. But I'm telling you, it is the best thing, and it's liquid. It dries. It goes on as a liquid and it dries as a powder. It's waterproof. It's so good, you guys. And it's travel friendly because it comes in a little case. Let me show you. It has a little mirror here and it comes with the product, and then the little brush comes right here, and it's foldable and it's double-sided. It's the perfect size and it's so cute. I honestly really love it, and I've been using this so much. So I'm just gonna fill my brows. All right, so now that my brows are filled in, I'm gonna go in with my favorite, the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. You guys already know I don't do this, and if I don't do it on camera, that doesn't mean that I don't do it off camera. I always do this because sometimes I know I forget to do this on camera, but it's definitely a step that I don't forget to do. So right now I'm just grabbing my Real Technique sponge and I'm just going over all those creases, anything that I'm going to set right now. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna try this again. I know I liked it when I first tried it, but I haven't used it since then. So I'm gonna grab the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder, and I'm just going to grab a brush like this. This is the e.l.f. Blush Brush, and I'm going to grab this and set my under eye. Okay, so it's really nice. It's nice and lightweight. I like it. Didn't really seem to mess anything up with the concealer or any products on my face, which is awesome. Now I'm gonna go in and set the outer perimeter, and I'm also going to, damn, I wanted to add a little bit of the cream blush, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't like to put cream products over powders. So I'll just use this product, which I really love. I'm gonna be going in with the Becca, Chloe, and Malika palette, which is this one here. This is what it looks like. Whoop. Let's flip that so you guys can see. That's what it looks like. I've been using this a lot. And I'm gonna start off with the bronzer first. And I'm using my Japanesque brush. I'm just gonna go in and just apply that on the outer perimeter of the face. Bronze it up. I hate when you get these little hairs. Like, what is the point of me clipping my hair if my hairs are just gonna be in my face anyway? All right, so I'm grabbing a little bit more and then just going on the nose like that, and whatever's left on the neck. Super easy. I've been doing a lot of these get ready with me's. Hopefully you guys are enjoying them. I mean, I have to get ready for the day, so I figured why not film it, you know? Now I'm going to be grabbing a blush brush. So this one right here is from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna mix this one here and this blush here. They have a little bit of a highlight, so I'm just gonna apply that a little bit on the cheek. Not too much, just a little bit. Just to give myself a little bit of a flushed look. A little bit on the bridge of the nose. And I kind of want to do something a little different today. So I'm going to go in with this right here. This is the Makeup Revolution. Well, actually, yeah, I think this is part of the Revolution Pro line, but it says Revolution, Makeup Revolution London Eye Glisten. This is a foil and glitter liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to grab this bronzy side here, and I'm just going to apply that on the lid right here. I've been wanting to use these more, and I'm just going to grab a brush, just a brush like this, whoop, like that. And I'm just going to blend it out and spread it on the lid. I don't know if this dried really fast, but hopefully it didn't. I think it does dry pretty fast, but that looks good. Doesn't look like you did a lot, but it looks really, you know, it looks simple still, you know. Now I'm going to grab a brush like this, something that's very soft and easy to blend whatever product. So I'm going to go back in with the Chloe Malika palette, the palette from Becca. And I'm just going to grab some and apply the bronzer on the lower lash line. I'm going to grab a little bit of that and apply that right here in the crease. I feel like I could add a little bit more. I feel like it's a little uneven on this side. So I'm just going to grab a little bit more. I just want to make sure that it doesn't look messed up or anything, but that looks really good. Now I'm just going to keep blending some bronzer on the lower lash line just to balance everything out. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of the highlight from the palette, which is the golden highlight here. Apply a little bit here, over here, over the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow. That is that for the eyes. I can even add a little bit on the inner corner if you want, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to go in with some lip liner. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, right? Yes. And this one is in the shade London. I've really been loving this one so much. I know I have this one here. This is the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Taunt. And the London lip liner have been just like my jam as of lately. It just complements each other really well. Like, it's like the perfect nude for me, and I love it. It's really pretty. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes. I'm not going to do any false lashes today. And now I'm just going to grab my favorite mascara as of lately. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. It's so good, you guys. I love the way it makes my lashes look, so. Ooh, I just literally poked myself in the eye. You guys know the trick about mascara. Let it dry and then just like flick it off. You see? I'm not worried about it on the lower lash line over here. I love like coats of mascara. Like, I'm a mascara coater. I have a problem. I coat and coat and coat until I can't coat no more. Alright, so that is pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna set my face. Let me just fix my little hairs here. So I'm just gonna use my brush as I normally do. the side. I'm gonna go in and set my face. I've been loving this one right here, you guys. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I actually bought 2 backups, so obviously I love it. I feel like I'm running out already. Jeez. And that is pretty much it for the look, you guys. Obviously I have to like get rid of this, but I'm gonna do that after. But this is pretty much it. Let me see. So there we go, you guys. That is the look for today, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.